Processing XML with Python. Today we'll learn about XML. The XML parser API is available, and we'll observe the APIs DOM and SAX. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a way to define a set of rules to encode documents in a format readable by both humans and machines. It is extended from SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. With XML, we can define custom tags. It is also used as a standard format to exchange information. This is the XML file we'll be processing today. This holds information about some songs and their artists. In Python, we have two APIs for dealing with XML, SAX and DOM. SAX, Simple API for XML, parses XML documents using an event-driven online algorithm. An online algorithm is one that can process input piece by piece without needing the entire input available to it from the beginning. DOM stands for Document Object Model. This API is the faster choice for large files. DOM operates on a document as a whole, but SAX operates on each piece of the document sequentially. Let's get to know more about DOM. This is a cross-language API from the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium. It lets us access and modify documents and is good for random access applications. We import parse from minidom and also import minidom. We use the parse function to open the XML document. We also use other functions like document element, has attribute and get attribute, and get elements by tag name. This way we get the details for all three songs. SAX is good with event-driven XML parsing and is a standard interface. To work with this, we make our class inherit from xml.sax.contentHandler to create a content handler that can handle tags and attributes while also providing methods for handling parsing events. It calls start document when it begins parsing a file and calls end document when it stops. It calls the content handler at the start and end of each file. The make parser function creates a parser of the first type the system can find and returns it. Parse creates a SAX parser, then uses it to parse the document, and parse string creates a SAX parser, then parses an XML string. For working with the SAX API, we import xml.sax. This was a brief about parsing XML with Python. Now let's get to the actual payload and implement this.